The Kenya National Union of Teachers is at it again, exercising defiance even in the face of a court order delivered on Monday morning. Having failed to appear in court last Friday, NAT is adamant that their strike won't be called off.
Section 81, subsection 1 of the...
Lady Justice Linet Ndolo, acting on a motion filed by the Teachers Service Commission, ordered the teachers to go back to work on Tuesday morning.
The teachers are directed to report back to work by 8 a.m. on Tuesday, 2nd July 2013. Any strike beyond this point shall be unprotected and illegal.
And the response from the union was just as swift.
This is a war that we must win. This is a war that we can lose. And we are pleading, or rather advising the parents of this country to prepare to stay much longer with their children at home as we struggle with our rights.
Lady Justice Ndolo also ordered that the teachers and the government go back to the negotiating table and engage in good faith. She ruled that the talks be chaired by Labour Cabinet Secretary Kambi Kazungu and the results of the talk be filed in court at the end of 2 weeks. In her ruling, she said that there was a legitimate dispute between the government and NAT arising from the two legal notices of 1997 and 2003. Both NAT and the government have been ordered not to comment on the matter outside their negotiating rooms. A defiant NAT has further told off Education Secretary Jacob Kaimenyi over his threat on their pay, saying that it will not dampen their resolve to pursue what remains from their 1997 deal.
If you have scored duty, if you refuse to teach, when a strike has been declared illegal, what is the best thing to do? We don't pay you.
Teachers do not draw their salaries from Kaimenyi and Kaimenyi Investments. They draw salaries from the Teachers Service Commission.
Meanwhile, the chairman of the Commission for the Implementation of the Constitution, Charles Nyachai, has called on NAT to respect the ruling of the court and let teachers go to work. Nyachai on his Facebook page said that it was fundamental that the rule of law is respected, failure to which will open floodgates of anarchy. In a related development, activist Okiya Omtata has filed a petition calling for the disbandment of the Teachers Service Commission and asking that TSC, the Secretary to the Cabinet and the Attorney General be restrained from taking any action against striking teachers until his petition is heard and determined. Now, today's court ruling should have at the very least brought NAT back to the negotiating table, but with its call for defiance, it seems that the strike is still far away from over. Lodrick Mayabi, JSO at 7.